Welcome to our channel. Today we are communicating S7-200 with 300 on Semantic Manager. Let's start. First step, we need to create a GSDML file of S7-200. Now select the CPU and their firmware, enable IP, set IP and go to startup, put it in run, then go to wizard, Profinet, IO device tick and put next. Now add telegrams, which data you want to transfer, starting address data send to 300, 10 bytes. Now select output here, 10 bytes output also. Data send. Now select the location where you want to put the GSDML file. Now created GSDML file on your location. This is the GSDML file. Then click on generate. I take a screenshot for moving the data. My starting address is IW 1152, also in QW 1152. Now I take a move block. Put the value here 20 and starting address of the output, which is input of S7-300. This is the first address QV 1152. I take a word, then I put QW 1152. Then copy and paste here, change the value and change the address, next address, again copy paste, stress address, then data send to S7-300. Just copy paste and receive data from S7-300. Now copy this, put it here, change Q to I, create temporary tag VW, this 54, 56. Now save the project. Now delete this extra rungs, then compile it. There is no error. Then search the CPU, download it, program. Now S7-200 configuration is done. Look, the value is 0. Now start S7-300, create new project on Semantic Manager. Project already exists. Then change the name and insert the S7-300 CPU station. Expand it. Go to hardware configuration. Take the rack for mounting the CPU. Drag and drop the CPU. Create a network. Plant bus. Profinet bus. That's okay. Compile it. There is no error. Install GSDML file. Go to option, install GSDML file, then copy the location of the file where we are creating a S7-200 GSDML file. Then go to install, browse, go to music and select the folder. This is S7-200 GSDML file. Click yes, close it, wait for library updation. Now library is updated. Go to Profinet IOS. PLCs. This is our CPU ST30. Drag and drop. This is the firmware. If both firmware are not matching, then communication not established. Go to blocks, open OB, ladder, create a small program for reading the address, make a move block, data received from S7-200. EIW 256. This is my starting address of the inputs. Create a temporary tag. '58. Copy paste. And paste it here. Then send data to S7-200. QW 258 260. And created temporary tag. Compile it, save it, close it. then download it. Downloading. Check the PLCs. Look, PLC is available. Change the IP address of the PLC. 12. Assign IP. Check again. Downloading. Save and compile it. Click on download. Click on view. This is the CPU. Click OK. Close. Download the program blocks. Yes. Yes. Go to operating mode. The CPU is in stop mode. Then click on burn restart. Download again. Go to online. Look, the communication is healthy. Module available and OK. Now go to program blocks. Then go online. So represent, then decimal. Look, the data from S7-200 is coming. I'm writing the data on S7-200 from 300. Look, the data are received. Thanks for watching our channel. Please like and subscribe.